So my office is coming together, and I thought I would show you a cool little addition that I'm going to be putting on my desk. This is the Davidoff Aficionados calendar. The last order I did with Davidoff of Madison Avenue, they sent me this. So, I mean, pretty interesting. How about that, huh? A Davidoff 2024 calendar. What are we dealing with here? What are these papers? Okay. So those are the months. Okay. And then what's this one? It's a little tricky to do it one-handed. Only 10%. The seeds make it through our quality control. This is just advertisement, basically. Kind of wonder why they didn't put this on this side, because this paper's bigger, this paper's smaller. This is really just kind of marketing, I guess. And that's the calendar. So I don't know. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. There we go. We got it. We got it. So that is the Davidoff 2024 Aficionados calendar.